Welcome to our tutorial on setting your page background on Wix. In this video, we'll walk you through the steps to customize your page background using the Wix editor, helping you create a visually appealing website that stands out. First, let's navigate to the Site Design panel. This is where you can change the background of the page you're currently working on in the Wix editor. You'll have the option to choose between a color, image, or video background and adjust it to match your design preferences. To begin, open the Site Design menu located on the left side of the editor. Next, select Page Background to get an overview of all available options. When choosing your page background, you have several options. For a solid color, select one from your site's color palette, or add a new one to enhance your page. If you prefer an image, you can select from a variety of free and premium stock images, or upload your own for a personalized touch. For those who want a more dynamic look, setting a video as your background is also possible, with high-quality stock videos available, or you can upload your own video to make it truly unique. Once you've selected and customized your background, you might want to apply it to multiple pages on your site for a consistent look. To do this, simply click on Apply to Other Pages at the bottom of the customization panel. If you have any feedback or questions, please let us know in the comments below. And if you don't have a Wix account yet, no problem. You can sign up for a 100% free account using the link in the description below and start building your own website today.